In this video, I'm sharing my honest experience using Beefy Finance, a DeFi yield optimizer built around automated compounding vaults. From my usage, the platform feels straightforward once you understand how vaults work, but it's important to remember that returns vary heavily depending on market conditions and the underlying protocols Beefy integrates with. I found the interface clean and the auto-compounding convenient, but like any DeFi platform, it comes with real risks such as smart contract vulnerabilities, token volatility, and reliance on third-party liquidity pools. Beefy's transparency, documentation, and multi-chain support are strong points, yet it's not a guaranteed profit tool and definitely requires users to understand what they're depositing and why. Overall, my experience was smooth, but I'd only recommend it to users comfortable with DeFi mechanics and risk management rather than beginners chasing APYs. Stick around for more honest tech breakdowns. Don't forget to subscribe for the next review.